Welcome to the Visibility Boost, the show where we dive into the best strategies for small business owners to increase their online visibility and boost sales. I'm Glenneth, your host and an SEO and Google Ads expert with over 12 years of experience helping business owners like you succeed. Each week, I'll share actionable tips and insights to help you navigate the crowded online space. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a review on your favorite podcast platform. Let's get started. If you've spent any time in Google Analytics, you're probably asking yourself, where did the bounce rate go? Hi, my name is Glenneth, and I'm going to be your host today on the Visibility Method, and we're going to discuss where did bounce rate go. This is going to be a quick one. Let's get started. So bounce rate was originally found in Universal or the UA Analytics. This is the one that no longer exists. Bounce rate to me was always a very negative reflection of what people were doing on your site because it was telling you what percentage came on your site and then immediately left or bounced off of your site. Google Analytics 4, the current analytics, now uses engaged sessions. This to me is a much more positive metric to be looking at. So for a session to be considered engaged, the user must do one of the following during a single visit. They have to actively interact with your website or app for at least 10 seconds. So we know they are spending at least 10 seconds on your website. Second, and again, this is one of these three, generate a conversion. So are they filling out a contact form, filling out another form, purchasing something? And then finally, the third option is generate at least 2 new windows or page views. So that could mean they're seeing your homepage and then going to a services page. So any of those will be considered an engaged session. This is what you're really wanting. You're wanting to see how many people are coming on your site and actually doing something. Are they spending time? Are they taking action? Are they visiting more than one page? This is what we're looking for. And the higher the number, obviously, the better. And some of these users could be doing multiple things. They could be visiting multiple pages, making a purchase, and spending more time than 10 seconds on your website. So if you've been looking for bounce rate, you don't need to worry about it. It's gone, it's left. You want to focus on engaged sessions. And if you're asking, but Glenneth, where do I find engaged sessions in GA4? If you will go into analytics.google.com, pull up your website, go to acquisition, traffic acquisition, you will see engaged sessions after users then sessions. You will also see your average engagement time per session, your engaged sessions per user, and your events per session. So I hope this clears up where the bounce rate went. I will talk to you soon. Thanks for listening. That's it for today's episode of the Visibility Boost. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and leave a review. For more exclusive tips and in-depth trainings, join the Visibility Method Insiders Circle, where we offer strategic insights and actionable strategies to boost your online presence. Visit thevisibilitymethod.com to learn more and sign up. Connect with me on Instagram at glenneth.com for more updates. Thank you for tuning in.